Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a hero section in WordPress using Elementor. Make sure you watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, while you have your website and you're working on it, you're going to straight to plugins, and then from here you're going to simply search for Elementor. Once you do that, as you can see, Elementor is going to be the first one that you can acquire right here. And so from here, you're going to click on upgrade and activate. Now, if you are not on the free plan, then you have to be on the business plan because that is the only one that can work with Elementor. And so you're going to click on upgrade and activate plugin. And so once you upgrade, you're going to make sure and go ahead to your install plugins where you can see the section right under here. And so you're going to search for Elementor and make sure that it is enabled. Once that is done, all you have to do then is to go to this website, which I'm going to leave in the bio, that has a full-on step-by-step with video demonstration on how to create the hero section, and you can see from here step-by-step after you install to your plugin and make sure that is all set, then you can have it and go dynamic. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.